Today I am very excited to show you as a beginner how you can set up Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager for your Shopify e-commerce store without any experience. Yes, I am not wrong. If you watch this video till the end, you will love it. And if you don't have too much experience with Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager and some coding to enable data layer, don't worry. In this video, you don't need to learn that critical topic. Just follow what I am going to show you. So, no more talks, let's get started. This is my website and this is my Google Analytics dashboard and this is my Google Tag Manager dashboard, and all are look like new. There is nothing in the account. Okay, something like I am set up from scratch. Okay, so first of all we just need to connect Google Tag Manager. For doing, just copy this code and go to Google Tag Manager backend and paste under the head tag. This is when you have done, then what you need to do. So actually I'm going to go my Notion template and I'm going to download this one. This is GA4 for e-commerce and I am downloading it on desktop. Okay, so just look the magic, guys. You don't need any skills, you don't need to learn Google Tag Manager. If you have a store, just what you need to do, just go to admin and then go to import container and choose the file, and that is one I have downloaded few moment ago, and here it is. Just I need to choose the workspace. I just want to pick with the default workspace. Okay, and the override or merge, you can pick anyone. I like merge and override rename with the complete tag. So if I have the same variable, like if you have the Google Tag Manager setup, like if you have the previous tab and if you have the exact same name, you will see with the rename. Okay, so when you have done, then add workspace. So add to workspace, and this is the boom, guys. Within few seconds you can see the complete Google Analytics setup is ready. What you just need to do one thing, which is go to variables and go to Google Analytics, copy your measurement ID, and here is the first variable. You have to change it with your own measurement ID. Just remove this one, paste this one and save. And after that you have to submit and publish this version. Okay, so let me check it's working or not. Go to preview and copy this website and connect it, and here you can see this website is connected. And if I go back the tag assistant, it's also look connected. Go to Kings, catalogs, then add to cart product, then view cart, and go back. You can see all the tag is working with this all the event. If I go on the analytics and go to report and real-time overview, and you can see the view item list is here. So it will come all the event one by one. Okay, so it's already started. So in front of you, within few minutes, I have set up the complete Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager without any experience. So now probably your question is how you can get access of this account. So for you guys, I have uploaded that one inside of this product, which is GA4 e-commerce tracking for Shopify store. But don't worry, it will also work for your another social e-commerce platform that, like, it's basically the setup with Google Tag Manager. So you just need to connect with e-commerce, WooCommerce. You can use with the, like, whatever you want. Like you could be have the different CRM, so it will work. Just you have to make sure you have your website has the data layer with, so what the mean of data layer, so e-commerce data layer, like this. If the website has the data layer, it will work for all. Okay, so inside of this product you will get everything. I have already input the one by one, step by step learning video. So if you are interested to learn from manually, you can do that. You can uh, you can also earn money with that, because this is resellable. Because inside of this product I have added the cover photo, so you can easily rebranding this product and sell it. Okay, so this is 100% done for you, that I already show you. And with this product I have provided, actually I will provide 90 days free service. Okay, so 90 days premium support. So if you buy it one time, next 90 days I will help you if this setup won't work. So it's 100% secure, so you don't need to worry about that. So if you want, you can try with this, because this is 100% done for you. So if you have own website, you can try this one. Also you can sell it to your friend, that will also helpful for them. Also you can make money with that. So that's why is very very interesting thing. So actually I am trying to help people who are beginner, want to make money without enough experience, without enough learning. Just he can purchase this and sell it again and again. It will work for any time. So actually you will get the access of this thing. So I have the marketing kit, all the manually setup if you want to learn how to set up. And I also provide the data layer code for Shopify store. For Shopify it's required data layer code for installing GA4 and getting that product information to Google Tag Manager. So that's why it's the different and very powerful. You don't need to hire an expensive freelancer from Upwork and Fiverr. And guys, I already have 6 years of experience, and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. And with my experience I have built this product, so you can trust it without any like thing. Okay, so if you need this one, you can do that. And I already show you how quickly you can set up Google Analytics for your e-commerce store without help from anyone. And of course I will provide 90 days free premium support, so that will be really worth it. So this product price is very reasonable, and I hope you will love this product. So why are you waiting for? If you really want this one, visit my store and try this one. And if you need an expert to verify your current setup, you can book a consultant meeting with me. I will help you as soon as possible. So see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.